Alright guys and girls, this is your Traded Crypto channel coming at you. January 6th, 2022. We're still suffering through this dump. It could have been a little bit worse. We're basically just retesting that wick from before in December. What was it actually about exactly a month? I think it's December 4th was that big crash. Yeah, or December 3rd, 4th. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of talk about what's going on here. And the biggest thing is, I don't know if not too many people are really talking about it, but this is basically an exact fractal of what happened this summer, the Wyckoff distribution pattern, they would call it. If you took this and copied and pasted it, it's just a slightly smaller version, where this we did, I think, 12 weeks. We've done 4 weeks here, so it's like a slightly smaller version of that. There is another pattern people are talking about, 3 peaks in the Doan house. We really don't want that pattern to be the situation, because if that does happen, we're going to be going down to 30K. But basically that pattern calls for like this as a head and shoulders, and we go down very sharply from here. I don't really see this so much as a head and shoulders though, like just because we haven't really gone down to where the neckline would be, which the neckline is actually, they're talking about the neckline being 40K. I mean, it's actually this Fibonacci level. Oh my gosh, I'm totally wrong. It is 40K. But we haven't really gone to 40K. It'd be one thing if we were bouncing down around 40K, like maybe a little slightly lower, I'd feel worse about it, but I just don't see it personally. But this is kind of what I'm thinking. I think we maybe have 24 hours more of this, if not a giant green candle this morning tonight. It's going to wipe out the shorts, and I think everyone's short in the market. I think this is going to keep on going down. We're making what looks like a bear flag, and I don't really. We've gone down so far. Like, it's been such a brutal correction that eventually the bears have to lose some steam, and they obviously have. All the RSIs are oversold. I think we might go down to 42.5 one more time, just to kind of reset the hourly RSI, and that might be kind of it. I just don't see us being down here for too much longer. This red trend line that I've drawn used to be the I was hoping for a support resistance flip, but it kind of cut through it. Yeah, we were kind of pushing on it there before. Yeah, it can be drawn a couple different ways, but basically we get above this, then this was a fake out, and we're gonna be off to the races. I just feel very confident. The crypto fear and greed index just printed another 18 from the 15 yesterday. I mean, maybe we get one more dump to 41, or maybe a quick wick to 40 or 39. I just don't see that pressure. What else are they gonna say? So I mean, it could happen, but I just don't see it happening. But we do have a lot of work to do. I mean, there's gonna be a lot of. I can see us getting back up to the 46, 47 pretty quickly, but to get back up to 52 and then 60. It's going to take weeks. It's going to be spring. I mean, maybe it happens a little faster than that, but you can't go it so fast. The total market cap is also a little bit shaky. We really need to see some good green action in the next 24, 48, definitely by Sunday. We've got to get up by Sunday. 2.3 trillion would be the total market cap number to shoot for, to make sure we're above the 21-week moving average. Kind of need to get up there. I'm not really seeing a whole lot of RSI divergence, unfortunately. I mean, we do have some. This is the 4-hour. I mean, we did have a lot of great divergence before when I was doing the videos, but unfortunately that was all negated. There is some decent. There's some decent. Yeah. Yeah, on the daily, it's maybe a little bit better. Not really. Unfortunately, we lost all of our divergence play, which kind of lends to maybe we get maybe we chop a little bit more in this zone, but I think it's done. I don't think we're gonna go down a whole lot more. Hope not. Anyway, that's kind of what I wanted to talk about. Just wanted to make sure that I wanted to talk about the fractal, basically the summertime. It's basically just repeating this, just a smaller version. Very, very similar. But we're at decision time. If either we're going to go down a little bit more, or maybe we break. The problem is all the longs and the open interest, not longs, but they're people that are margin trading. If there's a lot of longs in there, they might try to chase them out one more time. So we cascade down. It'd be ugly as hell. So let's hope for the best. Hang in there, and peace out.